Hello and welcome again to the Bioscience YouTube channel. And today I'll show you quickly another tip working with Excel, especially when we have obtained values from concentration and absorbances of a serial dilution. And if you now solve or analyze for unknown, if you analyze for unknowns and you now have absorbance values, I will quickly show you how to either interpolate if your values are within the range you have analyzed or outside, that's extrapolate. So very simple. You just have, like I have here, concentration and the absorbances, assuming we have a value. We want to interpolate a value. To check for correctness, I will use an example we have here. Let's take this value 0.195, 0.195, and then we want to get what will be the value in terms of concentration, assuming this value was obtained from an unknown. So for your own research work, the values could be different, but the principle is basically the same. So you just come here and say, use the forecast linear, open bracket, forecast this value based on this to this, comma, and then close the bracket, enter. Then compare the results, 0.13, okay, 0.14, that's good. Then you can, now let's try extrapolation. Let's say a value beyond the limit of the standard curve. Let's say 0.30, assuming that's the absorbance. Then we want to come here and do the same. I'll just, in this case, drag this down to repeat but mind you, you now have to correct the formula. Forecast linear, quite all right. B, so you see now there are errors. First, we want to forecast B13. So I'll just come here, B13, and then the equation remains the same because the study area A2 to A11, B2 for absorbance to B11. So once you have done this, enter, and then you have the values there. So you can, oh, pardon, there's now an interruption because I changed this one. So to get this one back, I'll leave it as it was, B12. Why for this other one is B13, B12, B13. So you can see the corresponding concentrations. So that is it. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching.